Welcome to the second edition of the Happy Investing Show, where I answer all your investing and insurance related questions. So go ahead and ask me those questions by emailing to me or commenting in the current video or just any video of mine. The first question is from Dhruv. He's from Bangalore and I don't know his age. His question is, my father has made a will. Should it be registered? A will doesn't require any kind of registration. It can be as simple as written on a piece of paper with all the assets that are described, and there should be a couple of nominees to whatever has been written on the will. So you can register to avoid any kind of issues later on. But on the other hand, if you have not registered and don't want to register, it is absolutely fine. I hope I answered that question, Dhruv. The second question is from Sachin, who's from Chennai and is 35 years old. This is his question. The US markets have come down heavily. Should I be investing in the US market? A great question. Everybody has it on their mind. But the answer to that question is, I think US markets are a little wobbly at this point in time. There are too many factors playing on the US market at this point in time, and hence I would rather invest in a lot more stable economy like India than giving my money to the US markets. Of course, if it keeps falling further, it will definitely offer value at some point in time. But I think that maybe another 5, 10, 15% from here, you never know. I would rather pay higher premium and enter at higher levels for the stability than invest now and see my portfolio going down the very next day. So stay put, don't invest right now in the US market section. The third question is from Nazar, who is 35 years old and he's from Hyderabad. He has emailed me this question. He says, I am currently doing a 35,000 SIP and I can increase it up to 40,000. I have a long-term goal horizon and I have the ability to take medium to high risks. So please tell me what should be my allocation strategy. The three takeaway from your question, Nazir, is that you're 36 years old, you can take medium to high risks, and you can increase your SIPs to as high as 50,000 rupees. Plus, you have a longer term horizon. With these inputs, I would clearly tell you to go in for at least about 80 to 90% of your funds to be invested in equity. And the remaining 10% you can set aside for debt, which you can actually use to make good any short-term market opportunity if the market comes down, like what happened during 2020. For that 80 to 90% of the money that I'm asking you to invest in equity, I would suggest you take slightly higher exposure to mid and small cap, considering the fact that they are offering better value at this point in time, and the remaining you can keep it in large cap, which should be a standard allocation. Be a little opportunistic with your mid cap and small cap allocation, and if you've made good return out of mid and small caps, I would recommend you to move the money back into large caps, and that's how you should play the equity markets. So go in with at least 80 to 90% of your money in equity. Good luck with your wealth creation, Nazir. So with this, we come to the end of second edition of the Happy Investing Show. Please keep me asking these questions and I would be very happy to answer those. Till then, happy investing.